Hello. Hello there. Yes, I was wondering if anybody has seen my pet bird. It's lost and it's just flown away. And I was just wondering if you've seen it. I mean, the sky's not that big. It can't be that hard to find a bird that's just flown away. Oh dear, please. Please.
I'm on a very big case right now. Check this out. Look at that. That's a true albino pigeon. Some rich guy lost it. He's offering a $25,000 reward. Idiot!
What?
Do you realize what you just done? You just cost me 25 grand, Polly.
Yeah? Blow me.
Really?